let's get the camera out and give it a bit of a wiggle. So yeah, that is it now. Hello and welcome. This is going to be a very short video telling you about the tutorial that I have created to try and help you guys, if at all possible. This is actually the second version that I've put onto my website, because the first version some people were having trouble reading it depending on the device that they were trying to view it on. Apparently some of the pictures were overlapping the print. So what I've done is I've revamped it and made it into a PDF file which can be viewed on any device. Whether it be from a computer or a laptop or even down to an iPhone. So this is really just showing you where you can find it, and also just giving you a rundown of the content. So the first thing you want to do is go to my website, which is John Dexter Photography, or the link is below if you just want to click on that. But you'll be presented with this page, and you just go up to the tutorials and links and then click on ICM tutorial PDF, and then just click on the PDF file, and there it is. Now it's actually split up into 4 sections. The first introduction is basically just telling you what ICM is to me, and I must say that this is the way that I produce my images. It's not to say it's the right or wrong way, so just sort of bear that in mind, that it is just a guide. My recommendations that apply to all my ICM images, and then we go down to camera gear and suggested settings for ICM within the camera. Then it goes down to choosing a composition, and lastly we come to the camera movements. Now I have actually put in images in each separate section of each camera movement to try and help you understand the process. So there are basically 9 camera movements and also 9 images. And we're up right the way down to number 9. So yeah, that is basically it. Let's go back to the beginning. So yeah, that is basically it. If you want to have a little read of it, please do. And if it helps you, that'll be absolutely great. And if it does, then please leave a like or a comment. Please leave your comments on it below. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much to all my subscribers, and if you haven't already done so, it would be great if you could. So until the next day out, which I'll make a video on, this is John Dexter saying thanks for watching. Bye for now.